Welcome to video 3 of Module 1, Organic Client Acquisition, What to Do, part of a marketing mini-course by Collab Dentistry called Finding Your First 50 Clients. In our last video, we looked at what dentists do to find new clients. Some of their strategies don't make sense for independent hygienists first starting out, like renting expensive retail space or hiring a marketing agency. But you can implement some of their strategies for little or no cost by investing your time. That's what we focus on in this video. Organic client acquisition is dramatically cheaper, but takes more time and effort. Paid client acquisition is too expensive for independent hygienists just starting out. To understand this a bit better, let's compare paid client acquisition directly with organic client acquisition. When it comes to cost, paid acquisition represents a large cash expense, but can be a small time investment. For example, hiring an agency to do most of the work for you. Organic acquisition represents a small cash expense, but a large time investment. When it comes to quickness, with paid acquisition, you see results almost immediately, new clients within a few weeks. With organic acquisition, it can take a significant amount of time to return results. When it comes to scalability, which is the ability to do more of the same thing without much more effort, paid acquisition is scalable. For example, if a pay-per-click campaign on Google Ads is working to drive traffic to your website and you want more traffic, you can just increase the ad spend and get more traffic. There isn't any extra work needed to get that extra traffic. Just spend more money. Organic acquisition, on the other hand, is harder to scale as you are doing all the work. To get more out of your organic acquisition strategies, you need to do more work, which you may not have time to do. When it comes to sustainability, we mean one very important thing. If you stop doing something for a period of time, does the client acquisition also stop? For paid acquisition, the answer is yes. As soon as you stop spending money, the client acquisition stops. There is no lasting effect that will keep driving new clients to you. On the other hand, with organic acquisition, it keeps working over time and even compounds, becoming more effective. So if you pause trying to get new clients for a period of time, like during July and August when the kids are out of school, the work you previously did will still be bringing new clients in, maybe not at the same pace, but it doesn't disappear as soon as you pause activities. When it comes to client retention, organic is also superior. Getting a new client through paid acquisition channels does not help client retention. No client stays with a service provider because they clicked on a Google ad. Whereas it is proven that client retention is significantly higher when they are acquired organically, which makes sense considering how much more personal the acquisition process is. So let's review. From a cost perspective, organic acquisition is superior. The truth is, there may not be enough return if you pay a lot to acquire your patients. From a quickness perspective, paid acquisition is superior, but since it may not be realistic, you just have to be patient with the process and keep working through the process we will be teaching you. It will pay off over time. From a scalability perspective, paid acquisition is superior, but you don't need to scale right now. You just need your first 50 clients, and you can build from there, one step at a time. From a sustainability perspective, organic acquisition is superior. All the work you invest in becoming a well-known service provider in your community will keep paying dividends for a long period of time. From a client retention perspective, organic acquisition is superior. The longer you retain a client, the higher your average customer lifetime value will be, and that will be key to the success of your independent practice. So, now that we're sure you should be using organic client acquisition strategies, let's review what they will be. Remember, organic doesn't mean completely free. You will be spending some money on marketing, but the point is to spend the least amount for the greatest return. Your top organic strategy will be to become well known in your community, both in real life and digitally, and then nurture the relationships you build as you become known. Your second most important organic strategy will be to serve your community to create goodwill. This goodwill is what creates retention, reviews, and referrals, and it is the jet fuel that will power the growth of your practice. And lastly, you will get the opportunity to create partnerships with other businesses or service providers that benefit you both. So now, in the next video, let's dive a little deeper on how to get yourself set up to implement these strategies.